Hello, Assalamualaikum everyone. This is Tuba Kesar and I'm the founder of Team Neurodiversity. On this World Mental Health Day, I would like to say that this is the day where we are given opportunity to raise awareness and to highlight the importance of mental health and its well-being. The most important part is that you need to remember that you are not alone. This is the most important and this is the most vital thing to remember on this day. Your mental health is not something that you need to be ashamed of. Seeking help is absolutely normal. This is what we are here for. We psychologists, counselors, trainers, we are trained to make you feel better. We are trained to help you in bringing that feeling back, the hope back in your life. And you control you, but sometimes you need a little help to find that inner control, and that is completely okay. This is what we are here for. This is what why my team is here for. So the feeling that there is no hope, trust me, there is always hope. Even if your mind tells you that there isn't, always there will be a hope. So saying that, please give importance to your mental health. Trust me, when you'll start giving the importance, you will see that all the other areas of your life are getting better. And to all the parents, especially with parents with special needs, the fear that you have, I understand. This feeling is going to go away because the fear is real, but danger isn't. There are endless possibilities for your children. So don't give up. Don't lose hope. We are here to support you. We are here to guide you. So please cherish these moments in the present with your children instead of just focusing and losing these happy moments and thinking about something that is not even you're not even sure that will happen in the future. So I just want to say that the areas that we are broken are the same areas that we are going to shine from. And even the sun needs to burn before shining so bright. So just on that note, me and my team would all wish you very, very good day. Keep yourself healthy, keep yourself positive, boosted, and whenever you need us, we are always here. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Amna Karimi and I'm the head of Child and Adolescent Developmental Psychology in Team Neurodiversity. My message for you guys on this mental health day would be anything that disturbs your peace of mind is way too expensive for you. We all deserve a life that is free from toxicity, free from all the emotional traumas, all the negativity. So starting from today, let go of all the things, all the relationships that brings toxicity in your life, that disturbs your mental peace, and live a life free from all emotional traumas, all stresses. Because if your mental peace is compromised, then you won't be able to take care of your kids, of your family members, of others around you. So for the sake of others, take care of your mental health. For the sake of yourself, take care of your mental health. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum everyone, my name is Amara Batul and I'm one of the panelists at Team Neurodiversity. I'm the head of Family and Couple Therapy and the Behavior Management Programs at Team Neurodiversity. On this World Mental Health Day, I would like to remind you about a very famous quotation that says, "The scars you can't see are hardest to heal." So try to be very, very empathetic, non-judgmental and kind towards your own self and towards everyone else around you. Always remember that you comes first. That's it. And trust me, that can make a big, big difference in your life. Take care of yourself and enjoy this day. Thank you.
Good morning. My name's Ariba. I'm a doctor working in psychiatry. This is World Mental Health Day, and just a small message that mental health comes before everything. So please take good care of yourself. Mental health is the first and foremost duty to ourselves. Everything else can wait. And if anything, even a little bit of a thing makes your mental health better, then please do that. Even if it's a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, please enjoy that wholeheartedly on World Mental Health Day. Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum guys, how are you? I'm Faria Afzal and I'm the head of art therapy and remedial teaching फ्रॉम द टीम न्यूरो, और हम सब यहाँ पर सेलिब्रेट करें द वर्ल्ड मेंटल हेल्थ डे। और एज यू ऑल नो कि हम सब अपनी ज़िंदगी में कितनी सारी स्ट्रगल्स करते हैं, ठीक है। तो हमें अपनी फ़िज़िकल हेल्थ के साथ साथ हमारी इस हेल्थ का भी ख्याल रखना पड़ता है। एंड ये जो दिन होता है ये इसलिए होता है कि हम अपनी सोसाइटी, अपनी कम्युनिटी पे एक अवेयरनेस और एक रिकॉग्निशन को क्रिएट करें, ठीक है। और हम सब चाहते हैं कि आप लोग अपना ख्याल रखें, राइट। और अगर आप लोगों को किसी भी चीज़ की हेल्प चाहिए हो तो प्लीज़ आप लोग हमारे पास आ सकते हैं, आप लोग हेल्प ले सकते हैं, हम हमेशा आपके साथ हैं। सो थैंक्स अ लॉट, thank you so much for taking your time, and take care of yourself. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Zainab Amir and I'm one of the panelists and head of speech language pathology at Team Neurodiversity. This World Mental Health Day, I would like to say that mental health is one of the most neglected part of our daily lives. We do not see how much of a struggle it is to take care of our own well-being, whether it is physical or mental. So therefore, it is important to take care of our own physical health and mental health and be compassionate and empathetic towards others and our own self. Moreover, the theme for this mental health day is mental health for all, and for that I would like to say to be more inclusive, understanding of individuals suffering from mental health, any kind of disability. And it is our duty as psychologists, counselor, any kind of mental health worker to make them feel safe, secure, so that they can open up and share about their struggles or problems. And in the end, I would just like to say that everyone is fighting their own battle we know nothing about. So be kind always. Thank you.
My name is Sukana Mustafa, Head of Educational Department of Team Neurodiversity. टुडे ऑन मेंटल हेल्थ डे मैं सिर्फ इतना ही मैसेज देना चाहूँगी कि हमें मेंटल हेल्थ के बारे में जितनी इन्फॉर्मेशन यंग एज पे मिल सकती है, यंग एज यूथ को हम जितना एजुकेट कर सकते हैं उनके लिए उतना ही जल्दी बेहतर और बेनिफिट होगा। बिकॉज जैसे कि हम देखते हैं विद इन यूथ्स देयर आर मैनी प्रॉब्लम्स अकरिंग, सुसाइडल, डिप्रेशन, स्ट्रेस एंड एंग्जाइटी ड्यू टू एजुकेशनल प्रेशर्स जो हमारे बच्चों पे आ रहा है। उसकी वजह से उनकी एकेडमिक्स के साथ साथ उनकी फ़िज़िकल एक्टिविटीज़ पे भी प्रॉब्लम्स आ रही हैं। So I would suggest that whenever a child is coming to you to ask for support or to tell you that what is going wrong in his life or in her life, do not shush him. Do not tell him that nothing is wrong in your life. This is just the way this is the way you go through your life. You go through your hurdles. No, this is not the way. You need to make them understand that you are there for them, and whatever you can do, you will support them. Whatever the condition they are going through, you will be there for them. As a parent, as a teacher, as an educational institute, हमें ये सब करना ज़रूरी है क्योंकि बच्चे की mental health is very much important for us, because आज का जो बच्चा है वो कल का हमारा फ्यूचर है कंट्री का। सो वी नीड टू मेक श्योर दैट उसका मेंटल हेल्थ वैसे ही गुड एंड बेनिफिट हो, गुड और अच्छा हो जितना फिज़िकल हेल्थ पे हम फोकस करते हैं। दिस इज़ फॉर ऑल। हैव अ नाइस डे। खुदा हाफिज़।
Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Afshan Fatima, a panelist and head of behavior analysis at Team Neurodiversity. On this Mental Health Day, I would like to say that please take care of yourselves. Take care of your mental health as well as you take care of your physical health. As they say that it takes a village to raise a child, it also takes a village worth of support to survive in this world. Go ahead and reach out for your support. Go ahead and find people who you can talk to. There is no shame in reaching out and getting what you need. Take out some time to take care of yourself. Take a break. Go run, smile, laugh without a reason. Talk to a friend. Do things that adulting does not allow you to do just because you're an adult. You've got to be responsible. Find time for yourself to be yourself. It is hard to find help without judgment, but it's not completely impossible. And then judgment will come whether you find help or not. So take care of yourself, find ways to make yourself feel better, and keep smiling. Thank you.